Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go can't find friends. So if you're having issue finding friends, so what you can do is make sure that your friends that you're connected to your friends through your social media and everything, so and they have accepted your request. So even if you have sent a request to your friends, you got to make sure that they have accepted it. So only if they have accepted it, you'll be able to find your friends, I mean in your friends list. And if you want to add your friends, then just make sure you're connected to your Facebook or anything, so your contacts. So just check that and then see if you can find your friends. And if you still, even though if you're connected through your social media and still you're unable to find any of your friends and stuff, then there might be a bug on the app. So what you can do, you can simply go to your app settings. So simply go to your app, your Monopoly Go app settings. And then what you can do, if you go to under storage, all you have to do is just clear your cache. So go to click on cache. So you just have to click on clear cache, and that will clear the cache for you, and you can just try restart the app, and that's it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.